Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are doing good. Today, children, let us start your fifth chapter, that is the Railway Children. This is a very interesting story, children. You're going to enjoy after listening the story. Okay. Yes. Three children, along with their mother, moved from London to the Three Chimneys, a house near the railway line in Yorkshire. Their father was imprisoned, but the children did not know for what. The children could not attend school, but they didn't complain. This story is about how the children get used to their new home and their adventures in the new place. Yes, children. So, what is the story about? There were three children along with their mother, and they moved from London. They were staying in London before. They moved from London to the home called the Three Chimneys, a house near railway line in Yorkshire. Okay, they moved to the house called the Three Chimneys, children, which was near the railway line in Yorkshire. It is a place, it is a country in England, children. Okay. The father was imprisoned, means his father was in prison, but the children don't know for what. What is the reason for why his father was in prison? The children could not attend school. They were also not going for the school also, but still they did not complain their mother. Understood? The story is all about children, the three children, how they get used to their new home, and also about their adventures in the new place. Means what are the adventures they take place in that new place. Adventures is nothing but, children, bold undertaking. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ತಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, now let us begin the chapter, children. Mother was always locked up in her room upstairs writing stories. So she was their mother. What she was always doing, children? She was always locked up in the room upstairs. Upstairs andre ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ always she was inside the room writing some of the stories. Okay. She read out wonderful stories that she had written to the children at tea time. So she was writing many wonderful stories. No, children, at tea time what she was doing? She was reading all that stories to the children in the tea time. Understood? She was telling those stories to the children. Okay. Yes. Now turn the page, children. Yes. The new surroundings were so beautiful, with rocks, trees, hills, valleys, canals, and the new railway, that the children forgot about their villa in London. Means, children, they came to a new place. No, that place was so beautiful. Okay. And also the surrounding was having many things. It was also so beautiful. The surroundings were covered with rocks, trees, hills, valleys, canals, and many other things. So children forgot that villa in London. Before they were in London, in one of the house in London. No, very soon they forgot that house. Understood? Oh mother, this place is so beautiful. So the children were telling to mother that, oh mother, this place is so beautiful. Yes. From time to time, mother reminded them that they were poor. But the children did not seem to mind that. They always had enough to eat, and they still had their clothes. So mother, what she was telling children, from time to time, always mother was reminding that, what she was reminding for the children, that we are poor. That we were poor. But the children, how they were doing, what they were doing, children, they were not at all listening to what mom was telling. Just they were doing the same thing, whatever they liked. Like, for example, they did not mind whatever mom said. They were always having enough food to eat, and also they had clothes and everything they needed. So they didn't mind whatever their mother said. Understood? In June, it rained very hard for 3 days. It was very cold and the family faced a hard time. So, in June time, what happened? In the month of June, what happened, children? It rained very hard. So, that time, what happened? For 3 days, it was having a heavy rain. That time, it was very cold. The when it will be raining, it will be very cold, no, children. Obviously, it's true, right? Yes, and the family faced a hard time. So they had hard time means they had a bad time. So boy, what he asked the mother, can we light a fire? So no, Peter. So the name of the boy was Peter. No, Peter, we can't afford to light a fire as coal is very expensive. So mom said that no, Peter, we cannot afford to light a fire. She said that no, we cannot fire here because the coal is very costly. Expensive is nothing but coal. I mean, sorry, expensive is nothing but very costly. What do you mean by coal, children? Coal, no, coal is nothing but a black rock. ಅದು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಉರಿಸಿ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕರಿ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ, ನೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಕೋಲ್. ಒಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉರಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್, ನೋ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ರಾಕ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಕೋಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಎಸ್. Phyllis, my dear, you cannot have both jam and butter on butter. Both jam and butter on bread. It is either butter or jam. So mom said to Phyllis that, my dear, you cannot have both. Andre both, you cannot have both butter and jam on the bread. Either you have jam or butter. Any one you can choose, because they were poor children. Means they had bad time in the month of June. Understood? Yes. Peter was silent all day and then he suddenly had a brilliant idea. So Peter was staying silent. He did not talk anything more, but he was always silent the whole day. But suddenly he had a brilliant idea, children. ಒಂದು ಉಪಾಯ ಹೊಳಿತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. Okay. I am going on an adventure all by myself. Don't tell anyone. If mother asks, tell her I am playing at mines. So what did Peter say to his sisters? He said that I am going to do an adventure. Means adventure, I told you before what is the meaning of adventure. So all by myself, I'm going to do an adventure by myself. So please don't tell to mom. If you say to mom, if we say to mom, she might don't allow us to go there. Understood? Go me there. So don't tell anyone if mother asks. If mother asks, you tell that I am playing in the mines. So mines ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು ಅಂತ he said to his sisters. What do you mean by mines, children? Mines is nothing but a place where we find minerals. Minerals are taken. Mines ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸು, ಗೋಲ್ಡು, ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ mines. Understood? Yes. We'll move on to next page, children. 2 days later, Peter called his sisters, Bobby and Phyllis. So after 2 days, what happened? Peter called his sisters too. Come with me and bring the Roman chariot. So you both come with me, bring the Roman chariot. Chariot is nothing but two-wheeled horse drawn vehicle. Means it is a vehicle where it will be having two wheels, no, children. That one, see, you can see in the image here. For this he called as chariot. Understood? Yes. The Roman chariot was very old. Pram they had found in the loft. So his chariot was very old, children. It was a small vehicle. Pram is nothing but a small vehicle, and loft is nothing but which he found where in the storage place, means space in the roof of a house, or where we store some of the things, no, in that place he got. Understood? Yes. Peter led them down the hill to the station. So see, they are leading that to the station. Follow your fearless leader. So he said that follow your fearless leader. I am your leader and I am fearless, means I am not scared about anything. Just follow me, he said. Okay. Just above the station, some rocks had been pushed aside, and in a little hollow between them lay heaps of coal. So, just above the station, when they went near above the station, what they found, children? They found some rocks had been pushed aside. Means some rocks, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಂಡೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. And in a little hollow between, hollow means a small ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ದಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹರಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಲೋ, ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಪ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನ್ ಆ ಮೈನ್ ನಂದು. ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಲ್, ಪೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಿಂದ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್ ಟು ಹೋಮ್, ಈ ಸೆಡ್. The chariot was so heavy that all of them together could not push it. So push it up the hill. So the chariot was very heavy, children. So idur tumba ಕೋಲ್ ತುಂಬಿಸಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? See in the image you can see your children. So it became very heavy. You can see your right. ಈ ಥರದ ಕೋಲ್ನ ತುಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So they felt very heavy to push that. Okay. ಹಪ್ಪದ ಇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದೆ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ 3 trips before the coal from Peter's mine could be added to the heap of mother's coal in the cellar. So they did 3 trips, ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು. ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಕೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎನ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. Okay, where some of the places will be to store something in underground and all, no children. In that place they added all the coal which they took from the hills. Understood? Yes. The last lot of coal is holding out so well. So she said, children, the last lot of coal is holding very well. So when they showed to the mothers, they felt so happy, children. Understood? So, but on a dreadful night, the station master crept out quietly to the yard where the heap of coal was. He hid himself in the shadow. But one day suddenly what happened, children? What happened? A dreadful night. It was a dangerous night for them. For whom? For Peter and his sisters. The station master crept out quietly to the yard. Means the station master, what he did? He came out slowly. Understood? See, slowly, quietly to the yard. Means yard is a space with, like backyard and all will be, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ will be, that is called as yard. Where the heap of coal was. ಎಲ್ಲಿ heap of coal ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು. He hid himself in the shadows. So he was hiding behind himself. Okay, in the shadow. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಣದೇ ಇದ್ದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ? ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. So I have caught you at last, have I, you young thief. So what he did, children? He just caught Peterನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. He caught him, and what he said that I have caught you, thief. He called him as thief. Thief is nothing but robber. Understood? Stop taking, you young thief. Stop talking. you young thief, and come along to the station. So what did he say, children? He said that don't talk anything, just come along me to the station, you thief, he called him. Oh no, not to the police station. So he said that, oh no, no, not to the police station. Not yet. To the railway station. Not yet. To the railway station first. Why? It's a regular gang. Any more of you? So he said that first you come to the railway station first. It's a regular gang. I think you all are a regular gang, and you are any more of you means any more of you are with you. You people are coming and robbing here from many days, I think, he said. Understood? Who said? Station master said to Peter. Oh, don't. Can't you decide now what you will do to us? It's our fault just as much as Peter's. So that both sisters also came here, children, came near station master. Oh, don't. No, no, no. Please don't do that. Can't you decide now what you will do to us? Please don't do that. It's our fault. Yes, just as much as Peter's. Even as Peter has done this, even we have also done the same thing. It's even our fault, means it's our mistake also. Come along to the station. So what this master is saying, station master is telling, come along with me to the station. Why? You are the children from the three chimneys. What made you do such a thing? Haven't you ever been to church to know it's wicked to steal? So why? Why you did like that? Station master is asking those children, why you did like this? Don't you feel that you people, you are from three chimneys house? Then why you did this such a thing? Haven't you know that this is wrong? Stealing is wrong. It's a bad work. You don't know that? Who is asking these children? Station master is asking to those three children. Understood? Yes. Hope you all are understanding the story, children. It's very interesting, right? I didn't think it was stealing. I took only from the middle and thought it was mining. There's so much. It will take thousands of years to burn up all the coal. So, what did Peter say, children? He said that no, I didn't think that it was stealing. So he don't know that he was he didn't think that it was stealing, children. Just he thought that there was so much of thing. So only little bit from the middle I took, he said to the station master. And he also said that there is so much and it takes thousands of years to burn up all that coal. Means it takes many years to finish that coal. No, it won't. But tell me why you did that. No. But whatever you did is stealing. Why did you take without permission? So, station master is not at all agreeing for Peter's words. Okay. Well, you know that wet day, mother said we were too poor to have a fire. So he is just telling that mother said that we are very poor to have a fire. So that is the reason I had a brilliant idea and I just took from the place where it was, but I didn't meant it was a stealing. Understood? Don't. So sister is telling no, don't talk anything. Okay, well, I will overlook it this once. But you remember, young gentleman, stealing is stealing, and what's mine isn't yours. Now run along home. So, what did the station master say? Station master understood what Peter was trying to say, and he said that it's okay. Now I will think about it. But remember, gentleman, stealing is always stealing only. Please, without asking, it is not your mine. Then how come you took from that mine? Without asking, you should not take. Next time, never do that. Now run along to home. So go run away to the home, he said. Do you mean you aren't going to do anything to us? You are a brick. So what did Peter say, do you mean that you are not doing anything to us? You are telling to go back to home? Yes, so they felt very happy and what they did, children? So they went away. You are a darling, you are a dear. So they said that you are a darling, you are a dear. That's all right, the station master said. Okay. Station master said, and they parted, means they moved away from that place. Okay. There's an awful lot of coal in the cellar anyhow. So while going, they are going on talking and going. Peter said that anyhow there is so much of coal in the cellar anyhow, means already they had taken to the home, no, so they had a stock of coal at home. Oh, I don't think we should keep that goal. So one more sister said that, no, don't. Oh, don't. I don't think so. We should keep all that coal to ourselves. So I don't know too. So even he said that even I don't know. I am not sure what to do. Even now that mining is a crime, and he's telling. So he said that I don't know. I'm not sure that is stealing. That mining is a crime. He said that crime ಮಾಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪು, ಅದು crime ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Crime ಅಂದರೆ it is out of law ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, he said. But then the girls were quite sure, and they knew that Peter was quite sure too, though he would not admit it. But then, children, the girls were quite sure, and even they knew that even Peter was also quite sure, but though he would not admit it, though he would not agree it. Understood, children? Yes, children. Hope you all have understood this chapter. It was very interesting, right? Yes. And also, children, please read the lesson once again. Try to understand the story, and also I will give meanings and notes on this story. Please copy into your classwork, and I want you all to complete your classwork book. Understood? And I want you to write very neatly, children. I got many notes, but there were lots of spelling mistakes, and also some of the books, some of the children's handwriting was also not so good. So I want you to write very neatly and maintain neatness. Understood? Okay, children, hope next time everybody's notes will be very neatly written and good maintained. Understood? Yes, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.